Today, we're making a simple yet delicious pasta dish with chicken and chanterelles. You'll find the exact ingredient list in the video description as always. And for new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Start by frying the chicken fillet in a pan. Cut it up, then season with salt, pepper, sweet paprika, and dust with flour. Fry it briefly, then set it aside. We'll be using the same pan and oil for the next step. Now fry the diced onion until it starts to brown. Add the cleaned chanterelles, cutting larger ones into smaller pieces. Sprinkle with salt and fry everything for 5 minutes. After that, return the chicken to the pan. Pour in 30% cream and half a glass of pasta cooking water. Let it simmer for 3 minutes. Finally, add freshly ground pepper and mix everything together. Our sauce is now ready to serve. Just toss it with the pasta and you've got a delicious meal ready to go. I highly recommend you try this recipe. Enjoy your meal and thanks for watching.